Good morning and welcome to my week 3 journal. My name is Kristen Rianne Williams. The first thing that I'm going to be discussing today is promoting number sense. One way to promote number sense is through pattern set recognition. This is when students learn to recognize sets of patterns, arrangements, and tell how many without counting. So for example, in a domino, we have a 1 and a pattern of 3. When students use dominoes through different activities, they will quickly learn how to recognize those number patterns without having to count them. Pattern set recognition benefits students by encouraging number recognition and counting. Students will be able to count a regular arrangement of objects quickly. Next, we will be discussing contextual problems. Contextual problems are related closely to children's lives. This helps students mathematical modeling of the world. So because these types of problems are worded in a way that children can understand and relate to their own lives, it helps them then use those examples to relate to the real world. A lesson based on context might relate a math lesson to a recent experience, like in the classroom, or a recent field trip, or maybe a recent lesson topic from your other lessons, like your art or your science. You can really pull anything that the children have been involved in and relate it to your math lesson. This is a great opportunity to show students they will use math in their everyday lives. So many students, even when I was a child, have said that they will not use math in the real world, but these types of problems are an opportunity to show students how they will utilize math daily. And then here are some examples of some contextual problems that you could use in your math class. I like interactive notebooks. I've seen lots of different methods and different types of lessons within these interactive notebooks. So this is just an example. And on the other side, we have word problems so that students can read the problem, draw it, and then answer it. That will conclude my week 3 journal. Thank you.